बाबा अपने भक्तों पर सदैव रखते हैं कृपा दृष्टि। साईं के नाम के बाद अब बात हिंदुओं के महापर्व कुंभ मेले की। कम्युनिटी में आयोजन हुआ कुंभ मेला इन यूएसए 2014 प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस का, जिसका मकसद था लोगों को कुंभ मेले के इतिहास और महत्व के बारे में बताना।
पर्व हिंदू धर्म का एक महत्वपूर्ण पर्व है, जिसमें हजारों श्रद्धालु कुंभ पर्व स्थल हरिद्वार, प्रयाग, उज्जैन और नासिक में स्नान करते हैं। कुंभ पर्व के महत्व को समझाने के लिए प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस ऑफ कुंभ मेला यूएसए 2014 का आयोजन किया गया।
All the religious organizations will walk, march towards a pond which will be set up there. There will be a small procession, should go to the listening, and each one will carry their own deities, and then take the deity to the pond, where Ganga water is also going to be there in the pond. It's an artificial pond because you really can't get the listening. And the deities will be washed in it, and they take it out. And then, after that, people who are there, sponsors and other people, will take the Ganga water with them, whoever wants to take it. And then, after that, we will have Ganga Aarti, which will be like, and we will all be around the pond and do an Aarti. And then, after that, we will have a little break, and then we will also have some religious leaders talk. Once the talk is over, we will start our cultural program with bhajans and other things. And the most important thing, in the tradition of Kumbh Mela, we will be giving free food to all the people who come there.
इस प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस में जाने माने लोगों ने शिरकत की और कुंभ मेला के बारे में बताया।
Essence of Kumbh Mela, the whole point of it is the Ganga Tirtha, the Tirtha that will carry the collective positive energy from all the enlightened beings. And that is the essence. When people come, they receive that and then they absorb the positive energy. Okay. So that is the major attraction. Okay. And also, everybody coming together, it's a Mela. A Mela is a celebration. Right. The joy, the splendor, the color, everybody is just simply celebrating their life.
कुंभ पर्व के आयोजन को लेकर कई पौराणिक कथाएं प्रचलित हैं, जिसमें सर्वाधिक मान्य कथा देव दानवों द्वारा समुद्र मंथन से प्राप्त अमृत कुंभ से अमृत बूंदे गिरने को लेकर है। इस कार्यक्रम में आकर कईयों को ऐसी जानकारी मिली जिसे वो नहीं जानते थे और यहाँ आकर वो काफी खुश नजर आए।
कुंभ मेला, which is the grandest event, it's one of the greatest event where millions and millions of people from all over the world come to India. Now they can come here right now in Southern California on February the 22nd and be a part of this. This is a once in a lifetime experience. I'm happy to be a part of it. My family's been happy to be a part of it. All the Hindu community across America is a part of it. There is no greater feeling, there is no greater dharma than this.
We want to celebrate this month. Is an old Hindu tradition. More than 500,000 years ago, they started this Mela after Samudra Manthan, and tradition continues. We expect on Pioneer Ground this month about 5,000 people. There are a lot of religious rituals, a lot of munis, and a lot of people will be praying for gods. And this Mela is unique for Indian community, all Indian community, and we celebrate every year.
भारत देश से इतनी दूर रहकर भी लोग कुंभ मेला के बारे में जाने और अपने परंपरा कल्चर को समझे, इसी कारणवश ये प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस रखा गया।